Thank you so much. Can I press it?
Who else absolutely love to see great people, I mean great men, all packed up in one video? Take a look at this video. Looking at it closely, there is Obi Cubana, Cubana, there's Zenco, Orji Uzor Kalu, and a whole host of great men. Now hold on a second. Who else agrees with me that the resemblance between Obi Cubana and Cubana is just too uncanny? Like, are you seeing what I'm saying? This right here is Cubana, Obi Cubana's elder brother, business partner, and a powerful figure in his own right. Ikenna Iegbu, aka Cubana, is not just a businessman, he's also a philanthropist and politician, and it's honestly beautiful to see moments like this where great minds come together. So here's what happened. Obi Cubana recently shared on his verified IG page that the Senator Orji Uzor Kalu paid him a visit at his Abuja residence, and of course people are already buzzing online. The big question is why? Why the visit? Some say it's just a friendly call, others are speculating business or even politics. But come on, can't one Igbo brother visit another again without the internet going wild as always? What do you all think? Is it just a casual link up, or is it something big brewing? Who else can you recognize in this video? Personally, I see Zenco. Maybe a few familiar faces in the background too. Let's talk in the comments.
Thank you so much. Can I press it?
Cubana did his 50th birthday about that.